Well, hello everybody, here on the Empty Skull Ranch. I've been working on a little bit of a project in my messy forge over here. Clean that up. Gotta clean that up. Makes me sad every time I look in there. Got a little bit of a lazy eye today. Anyway, I am working on a little bit of a project right here. I'm sure you guys probably know what this is. Yep, that's going to be a 2x72 belt grinder to aid in the shop here for making future knives and such. But she's going to be a doozy. A little rough looking right now, but hopefully the finished product will be a little bit nicer. See, I've basically welded with that on there, so I got a little bit of the slag. I got to clean that up. And I'm not the best welder. Definitely not. Definitely not the best welder, as can be seen by my overkill OCD. Yep. So, anyhow, that getting out of the way, I formulated this thing out of some half-inch stock, welded some of these nuts to it, and put a little relief cut to angle this guy. As you know, this is probably, well, as you probably know, this is going to have the two main rollers on the front, and this is the main body of the beast right here. So it's going to tilt on its side, and it's going to have a 8-inch contact wheel on it as well. I believe I got that in here somewhere. If not, then I am sadly mistaken. Got to clean up my workbench here, but that guy right there, the serrated 8-inch contact wheel, that is going to go onto it as well. So here's the motor. Begrudgingly used the old drill press motor. I wanted to use a washing machine 3-phase motor through a VFD, variable frequency drive. But problem is, I was going anemic. I don't have 240 out here yet, so I was going to try to do it on 110. There's no torque. No torque. Took all of me to be able to polish that down without slowing this wheel down. So, maybe coming soon in the future, I will put that VFD on there so I can get a little bit more adjustment, finicky on the speeds. This guy's single phase, on and off. But boy, does that drive wheel fit on there nicely. And all of this stuff should come to a head using this guy right here as a tensioner. So that is going to be what keeps the tension on the belts. Those are the drive wheels, not drive wheels, the idler wheels for the that dual roller head with the backer plate on it that I'm working on right now. So just got to get a couple more bolts, put this thing together. Once I get it all welded together, I won't bore you with the small details, but once I got everything welded, ready for assembly, then ready for paint, so it can look nice. Real nice. Anyway, once it's ready for all that, I will post the video, and there'll be, I'm sure, countless future videos coming where I do a little bit of forging, some knife making, maybe even a little bit of Damascus. I started this billet here, still working on it. But in the end, when I went to go do something, thought I had enough time. Nope. Anyhow, live and learn. The rest of it is useful, usable. And it is only 8 layers right now. I don't have a press, so I'm doing this all by hand pounding. So this will be a knife, and it will be up for sale either on eBay or Etsy or something like that once it's done. So, or, well, we'll see about that. If it's sellable quality, it'll be on Etsy or eBay if I'm happy with it. So anyway, keep tuned to the channel, subscribe. Always could use that just to help around here a little bit. And you guys are great. I love my viewers, everybody. Good shout out to everybody that watches. Monadnock Firearms, as always. Love those guys. Supply a lot of the guns for the Empty Skull range. And there's going to be a lot more of those videos coming up, including the Kriss Vector. Yes, that is going to be on the range pretty shortly. So, with the EOTech Yes, EOTech holographic sight. That is coming very soon. All right, guys, stay tuned. Please subscribe. Can't do it without you guys. And I'll see you next time on the Empty Skull Ranch.